Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about some of the string methods which are inbuilt to JavaScript. Okay, so the string has some of the inbuilt methods, and you might be thinking like, hey, what exactly is a method? A method is basically some inbuilt functionality. Okay, some sort of a functionality which we can use inside of our JavaScript code. Okay. So here, as you can see, I have opened up the string documentation on MDN. And here, as you can see, there are a bunch of instance methods. Okay. As you can see, there are a bunch of methods here. So the first method which we will see here is toUpperCase. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll go inside of my code editor. Okay. Let me just do something like this. Okay. All right. So let's add a variable. So let message, okay, equals to hello there. Okay. All right. Now if I save that, okay, so this is that. Now if I do message, as you can see, we will get hello there. But now what we can do after the message, we can do a dot and do something like toUpperCase. And as you can see inside of VS Code, there were a bunch of methods of strings, right? So we will cover a bunch of them in the upcoming videos as well. So what we have to do, we have to do something like that, message and then toUpperCase, and we have to open and close parentheses as well. Okay. If I just now say that, now as you can see, the console log says, hey, hello there. But do you think that the message variable has changed? Okay, let's figure it out. So CLG message, okay, hit save. As you can see here, our main variable, which is the message variable, is not changed. The strings in JavaScript is immutable, so it is not changed. Okay, so as you can see, we will get, by using the toUpperCase, all of the characters are now capitalized. Okay, awesome. So now what we can do something like dot to lowercase as well. Okay, something like that. And we have to open and close the parenthesis. Okay, so now as you can see, all of the characters which we had inside of this message are now lowercase. Okay, awesome. So these are two of the methods which we can use inside of the string. And once again, strings are immutable. So the message variable here is now unchanged. So if we want something like, hey, we want to just update the message variable to the uppercase one. So what we can do message equals to, and then message dot to uppercase. Okay. Now, as you can see, the message is now toUpperCase. As you can see, this is toUpperCase. So we are doing the toLowerCase. That is why we are getting this. But here, as you can see, this is for the first console log basically. Okay. So I hope that makes sense. Strings are immutable in JavaScript. So we cannot update or change the values of the characters or the particular strings directly. Okay, we have to reassign the variable here to something like that. Okay, awesome. So these are two of the methods, and you might be thinking like, hey, how I can find that? So inside of the documentation on MDN, as you can see, I have opened up the toUpperCase method here. Okay, so it will just uppercase all of that. And then we have the toLowerCase as well, which we just saw. So it will lowercase all of the characters inside of the string. Okay. And then one of the other methods which I want to point out here is the trim method. What exactly the trim method? The trim method of string values removes white space from both ends of this string and returns a new string without modifying the original one. Okay. So before doing that, what I'll do, I'll go here, I'll just do something like that. And once again, you might be thinking like, hey, what happens if I just do something like this? I do not add the parenthesis. I am not calling the method. So if I just do that, as you can see here, it is saying like, hey, there is a method which is toLowerCase, but I do not know what to do. So to lowercase all of the strings characters, we have to open and close the parenthesis here. Okay, awesome. So now what I can do, I can just do something like this and do something like this. Okay, and I will just comment out these two console logs. Okay, all right, so let's do something like that. So if I just do that, as you can see, our message here has some white space, right? So if we want to remove the white space, what we can do? We can do something like message dot trim. Okay. If I just do that, as you can see, all of the white space are now gone. Okay. But one thing to point out here, this space is gone. The ending spaces are gone, but the space inside of the middle is still here. Okay, so this is one thing to point out here. So now, for example, you want to uppercase this particular string as well. So after the trim, what you can do, you can open up once again the dot. Basically, we are chaining the methods here. And what we can do something like toUpperCase. Okay, and once again we have to call the method by using the parenthesis. Okay, hit save, and as you can see, we are getting hello there. Okay, so in that way we can call multiple methods inside of our strings. Basically, we can use multiple methods to a single string. Okay, by chaining the methods, something like this. So in this video, what we have done, we have covered 3 different methods of strings, and we have learned about the methods of the strings in general. Okay, so we have covered the toUpperCase method, toLowerCase method, and we have covered the trim method in strings, and also we have seen the method chaining, something like this. Okay, awesome.